Today we're going to look at how to leverage a nutritional panel template that we've built in Illustrator to first create the specific nutritional panel on the product label, then adapt this first nutritional panel to a second label that in the same product family, and finally localize that same nutritional panel from English to Spanish. So let us first open or create a new file with using the nutritional panel template. So here we see a template where basically all the values are set as X's so that we know that it's a template. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our plugin and we're going to select the brand nutritional panel, we're going to select the project, and we're going to select a particular product, and we're going to do quick start. We're going to say yes, and now we see that all the values have been set from the database at the values that were entered in the database as the nutritional panel values for the product flavor 1 in English. The important thing to remember here is that this particular example is just meant to show you the work on the nutritional panel, but in a real life example, we would have imported not just the nutritional panel data, but also all the other data, all the other copy that is supposed to be on this label. So now that we have this data in Illustrator, we can design it. Okay, we can move stuff around, and when we're done with that flavor 1 English label, we save it. We might even close the file, and now we decide that we're going to create the flavor 2 product, still in English. So we reopen that flavor 1 English label, and we go in our plugin and we now select the data from the database for the flavor 2, and we import the data. And what you will see here is that among other data, there's a lot of data that's going to change, but what I want you to focus on is the product name and the data for cholesterol and sodium. You will see that this data is going to change. So basically what you see is that once we have that template that has been created, and we can create a whole series of templates that we can reuse over and over again. But once we have these templates, it's very easy to create a nutritional panel in Illustrator. And the data comes from the database so that the designer doesn't have to worry about the data. Maybe a quality control person, a project manager, or even maybe an admin person can enter all that data in the database. So again, as in all our example, as is the rule in Ubelix, all of these text objects in Illustrator are plain text object, which means that if I want, I can select this text object and I can set it to orange, and the text object now is orange. So now what we're going to do is we're going to localize this nutritional panel. We're going to localize it to Spanish. So we're going to select here nutritional panel flavor 1 Spanish as our product. and we're gonna again import the data in Illustrator. And now what you can see is that all the numbers, all the values are set as, you know, what they're supposed to be for product 1, but all the text is now in Spanish. Another thing that you will notice is that in most cases, and in this particular case, Ubelix does keep the formatting, and in this particular case, the color of the text. So here we are. We're at the end of our nutritional panel demonstration for Ubelix. Feel free to visit our website if you want to see more information. Our website is at www.ubelix.com, and feel free to call us at 513-706-5163. Thank you for your time.